Hello guys, welcome to Timon, time and money to have the best experiences out of your life. In this video, let's run down the geopolitical conflict that is being caused and how it is impacting your portfolio and how you can strategize and build for a much more riskier as well as stable portfolio. Let's think of both the option, and similarly also how you can trade US stocks right from India. So first of all, the geopolitical conflict that is being caused between Russia and Ukraine is a humanitarian crisis, and I'm not exactly going deeper into it, but the global jitters that this has caused is causing everyone's portfolio to see volatility and experience ups and downs at a great extent. And how you can try to build wealth through this uncertainty, especially for the long term horizon. And again, if you're following me from earlier, I would recommend a balance of investment in various asset classes as well as little allocation in riskier assets like cryptocurrencies. Especially this is for those who are in their 20s or earlier 30s who can still afford to rebuild their portfolio in case something goes horribly wrong. So first, let's see an aggressive portfolio. Over here, if you believe in blockchain and the narrative around it, then you can think of investing in cryptocurrency up to 10%. And again, there are aggressive investors who have invested more than 50-90% of their investment. Again, these are an exception. I am considering aggressive portfolio as max allocation of 10 to 20% max on cryptocurrencies, and let's say next 60 to 70% on your equities. Again, over here you can balance between small cap, mid cap and large cap if you want aggressive portfolio, and the rest in some fixed income asset classes. It could be your FDs or government bonds or corporate bonds, wherein these are more for your short term and mid term cushioning. Post this, a medium risk allocation strategy could be up to 1 to 5% of your portfolio allocation on cryptocurrencies. Again, this is only if you believe in this narrative and growth of cryptocurrency and blockchain. Else, please do your due diligence in all other cases, and let's say another 70% again in your equities. Especially this is for early in your 20s and early 30s, so that you have 30 plus years for your financial stability and growth actually to stabilize. And next is more stable portfolio. Again, this is not recommended for someone who is in their 20s or 30s, except again goal based investing. Again, go check out my videos on various topics that I have done on investment journeys and how to invest smartly and prudently. So except for goal based investing, which is for short to medium term, something for your long term time horizon, it's better to invest in something that has higher potential of return, and then accordingly plan and break down your investment. And now coming back to the portfolio allocation, where either for your short to medium term requirements you need some amount, or for other matter you are nearing your retirement, not just in the traditional manner of 60 years but early retirement or various other FIRE movements, that is financially independent retire early, that we have been discussing on the channel. And even on those cases you can think of moving this or rejigging your portfolio allocation between equities and debt or fixed income instruments to almost equal 50-50%. And similarly, when you are very near to your retirement, you can probably shift this up to 25% equity and 75% fixed income assets, and keep on increasing these proportions accordingly. Again, the main reason for repeating this or reiterating this is because when this exuberance was happening in 2020's bull run, everyone wanted to invest their money and just wanted to invest and take it to the peak. And when now markets are jittery, they're losing confidence. This is not a short term game of 1 year or 2 years. This is 5 to 10 year plus investment horizon. If you have, this will be more apt for that situation. And again, there was one saying that I came across. Again, take it with a pinch of salt and not with the humanitarian crisis that this brings along. And again, because some people are expecting some kind of nuclear war to break out, there can be two situations. One is this actually does not happen, and again after a few years and this is settled and overall market sentiments are good, then again this bull run or this growth can continue. Second is, in case this nuclear war does happen, then it will impact everyone's portfolio, and for a long run this can take down many other industries as well. Again, this was on a side note, basically to instill confidence. Where there is risk, there is potential reward, and again you will have to take a conscious call on that balance between risk and reward. And similarly, other sources of investment you can actually consider is real estate, that is both commercial, residential as well as agriculture based real estate. Again, in case of agriculture based real estate, especially when you are seeking that land somewhere far away wherein the growth opportunity might not be really high, in such places you can again look at various strategy, and I'll do a video on this separately wherein agricultural based investment strategy, whether it could be agro-tourism or perennial crops, or it could be long-term timber-based agricultural investment, or various other kind of agricultural based investing, and how you can achieve multiple goals with one target, that is through agricultural land investing, and how you can seek both financial security as well as food security, as well as peace from within, as well as sense of achievement, and various other sorts of things that can be achieved by this. Again, look out for the video that I'm going to do. Ensure to subscribe and like this video so that I know you enjoy this kind of content. And now moving on to the second point, how you can trade US stocks from India, that is NSE's IFSC has received approval to trade 50 stocks on their platform, in which is situated in Gift City, Gujarat. And in the initial stage, 8 stocks will be traded on this platform to gauge the interest as well as look on the process, and then all the 50 stocks will be traded eventually. And similarly, going forward, if approvals are received for others as well, they will start trading. So all these 8 companies are the big names that you know of, and if you still think that there are growth opportunities, this is a great opportunity to invest in these. And again, I will link down to few articles where you can read more about this if you are interested on how to buy, how to trade, and this is something an exciting news. So with that, I hope you liked the video. Ensure to subscribe to my channel, as well as comment down and share it with as many people as you can. I'll see you soon. I'll see you in the next video. Timon.